Today in Engineering Newswire, we're shooting burn victims with a stem cell gun, flying in an autonomous helicopter, and sailing across the Atlantic in an autonomous solar-powered boat. While many of you may be monitoring the progress of the solar-powered plane Solar Impulse 2 that is currently flying around the world, you may not be aware that there is a similar feat taking place out at sea. Solar Voyager, an autonomous solar-powered boat, is currently journeying across the Atlantic Ocean. The kayak-shaped vessel is completely unmanned and can reach a top speed of 3 miles per hour while running off a 280-watt array of solar panels stored in batteries for travel at night. To navigate the vast ocean, the boat connects to the Iridium satellite constellation to reach pre-programmed GPS waypoints. Measuring 18 feet long and 2.5 feet wide, the structure weighs about 550 pounds, which can be a bit of a disadvantage with regard to drag and efficiency. But on the plus side, the sturdy vessel has better resistance against mechanical shocks due to its hefty weight. The Solar Voyager began its journey from Gloucester, Massachusetts on June 1st and is attempting to reach Lisbon, Portugal over a period of about 4 months. Every 15 minutes throughout its journey, the boat will report its location in addition to details such as speed, bearing, power generated and consumed, and weather conditions. If it successfully reaches Portugal, it will be the first autonomous boat to cross the Atlantic as well as the first to cross any ocean solely using solar power.
Anyone who has been severely burned knows that grafting procedures can take hours, and the recovery process is often a long and painful journey. To shorten the recovery process, researchers have developed a new medical device. Known as the skin gun, the device sprays stem cells to the site of a burn, shortening both the treatment and recovery of wounds. In fact, new tests show that it delivers a healing spray with 200 times more coverage than traditional methods. Scientists at the Berlin-Brandenburg Center for Regenerative Therapies carried out tests on RenovaCare's skin gun and found incredible results. In an 8-centimeter diameter surface area, the gun shot out over 20,000 droplets versus only 91 by conventional methods, which typically uses a syringe to deposit cells. Even more impressive is the skin gun's extremely gentle spray method. According to RenovaCare, tests showed that 97.3% of the cells remained viable after being shot out. The device is also quite simple to use. However, doctors must first take a small sample of a patient's healthy skin and process it to release the patient's stem cells into a cell mist solution. The gun is then filled with the solution and sprayed onto burned skin. The device is so effective that treatment can take as little as 90 minutes. If the device comes to market, it could revolutionize the US's $45 billion wound and burn market.
A Sikorsky S-76 commercial helicopter has recently taken off and flown autonomously in Connecticut, covering a distance of about 30 miles. The flight of the Sikorsky Autonomy Research Aircraft, or SARA, marked the completion of Phase 1 of an $8 million award from DARPA's Elias program, which is trying to create and deploy more automation into existing military and commercial aircraft. The entire flight was planned, monitored, and executed by an operator using only a tablet. That's right, a large aircraft was successfully flown and landed by a notebook-sized device. Sikorsky utilized its Matrix technology, first introduced in 2013, to develop and test hardware and software systems that significantly improve optionally piloted and piloted vertical takeoff and landing aircraft. The Elias technology is also looking to take advantage of advances in automatic controls to work with aircrew to reduce workload, while improving aircraft safety. Sikorsky is now going to continue its work with autonomous aircraft through an additional $9.8 million award from DARPA. Phase 2 of the program will involve additional test flights, improvement to the human interface, and incorporation of the technology into a greater range of aircraft.
Do you have story ideas? Comment below and we'll cover them in an upcoming episode. For the PD&D channel, I'm Kaylee Duffy, and this has been your Engineering Newswire.